Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to insert image on the Google Docs mobile. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened the Google Docs app. Then I'm going to just start by opening a blank document like this. And to insert image, you need to click on the pencil icon to be able to edit the document. And here click on the plus icon at the top and you'll find the image option, the option to insert image. Click on that and you can choose whether you want to add the image from web, from your gallery, or directly from your camera. I'm going to just add it from gallery. Okay, so just select the photo, and after that the photo will be added to the Google Docs. And to resize, you need to enable the print layout preview so you can resize the photo like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.